Hair loss in women is a nightmare. Hi, my name is Paula Krasuski, one of the founding members of Client First Alliance of Independent Hair Replacement Centers. As women, we grow up seeing our hair as a critical part of our self-image, so hair loss in women is a very big deal. If you're troubled right now about hair loss, thinning, or extra fine hair, whatever the cause, you want a solution and you want it now. But there are so many salons out there promising the best hair replacement solutions, from hair pieces to hair extensions to volume treatments for thinning hair. So how do you pick a salon with the confidence that they truly are knowledgeable, experienced, and focused on what's best for you and your unique needs as a woman, as an individual? Cookie cutter solutions are not what you're looking for. After more than 20 years working for salons where the client didn't always come first, I just had enough. About 5 years ago, together with my current business partner, Ruth Ann, who had the same experiences and frustrations I had, we opened our own salon, Aesthetic FX in Marlton, New Jersey, near Philadelphia. At last, we could do our hair replacement our way, with a totally individualized, client-first approach unlike any other. Now, after 5 years liberated from the constraints of traditional salon policy, we have the clients who travel hundreds of miles for a totally unique level of personalized service. See for yourself. Client First Service is all about you.